Okay, kiddo, this is how you do it. Uh, you definitely don't want to update twice. You run the risk of missing something or doing it wrong. So let's make sheet 1 the one that updates and sheet 2 the one that you enter into. So you do enter, click on sheet 2, click that cell. So we made this cell equal to that cell, so whatever it is. And all you have to do is just drag it down, and I think you should be able to drag the whole thing over. Yeah. So if you go into sheet 2 and do hand, foot, head, it should automatically update. The only problem with this is it'll give you zeros if the cell is empty. So the fix to this is, instead of saying that, what you want to do is come into the formula and type if, open parentheses, sheet 2 B2. If that cell is equal to blank, comma, then I want you to return blank. Else, I want you to return the value sheet 2 B2. So now it'll be blank, and it won't give you a weird value or error, and that will stay blank until you type Sam, Bob, Brian. There you go. That's how you do it.